The Fed brought the second consecutive rate cut in this year. But on the other hand, the US bond yields went up, which is completely opposite because whenever the rate cuts happen, the yields of these bonds also go down. So, what is happening here? What is up with the gold market? Why some of the markets showed a correction? See, the first thing we need to analyze is this interest rate cut was already factored in the markets. But here comes some more hits from the Fed. First, there is an end of quantitative tightening, which means they will stop draining liquidity from the economy. But the second thing, which was a shocker for everyone, that the Fed said they are not looking to aggressively cut rates anymore. Why? Because the inflation data and all of these economic data are coming out uncertain because the US government is shut down. So what are the investors doing? They're taking out money from gold, they're taking out money from stock market, all these assets, and investing in the bond market because the rates and the yields on these bonds have gone higher, making investors feel that these are more better and safe returns compared to gold and other markets. But again, gold doesn't have a huge change in the fundamentals. According to my analysis, I can be completely wrong. Like we shared your analysis before, the gold market might show a bit of a correction or might be in a consolidation phase, which is the current status of the gold market. But what is your analysis? Let me know in the comments down below.